stuff across the board, so you guys will have to keep an eye on that for me. Give me 1 second. Let me pull this up, see if I can see us live. Yep, I see we're live on American Dream Trading. There we go. Yay! Good deal. There we go. Moderators, let me know. We should be live on all the things. Can you guys hear me and see everything okay?
Yep, YouTube's good.
Thank you. Now, I don't know if they're going to be able to hear you guys. Do they hear you on TikTok and YouTube and all that?
Let's find out.
Somebody start talking. Say good morning, everybody in the Zoom.
Good morning.
There you go. Thank you.
Good morning.
There we go.
Morning.
Morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice. Can you guys hear everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, we hear it.
Yay. Okay, good. And I don't show any dropped frames. I'm streaming off my iPad to my MacBook using OBS, streaming to all the services. Mazda Mitch says, why in the truck? Just for fun, man. Listen, I'm every day, all day in my home office. Like, all I do is work, right? So I'm living in that damn room. So I just want to get out. You guys ever feel like that? You just want to get the hell out of the same spot you're sitting in every freaking day? Like, it drives me nuts after a while. I'm a Gemini, man. My mind's all over. I want to move and see stuff. So this is why I'm out in my vehicular module out in the Cybertruck today, streaming to you live. We've already been trading this morning. Today I am trading off of this prop firm combine again. Need about $2,500 it looks like. Let me see. 3,000. About $3,000 and then this combine will be complete. We have been trading this morning. Good stuff. All right, real quick, I just want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, GC, Dawn, Mark, Miranda, Nick, Palm Coast, and Richard. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Of course, our media team. I don't have my normal stuff in front of me, but Ed and Nick, thank you guys over there. Diesel, Dan, and Gilly, thank you for holding up all the social medias. I appreciate everybody. Today it looks like we've got we opened up 2 spots for Diamond Lifetime memberships, 10K today. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can get it. That is a lifetime to all of our memberships today and in the future, which includes futures. Be here all week. Yeah. I'll be here all week. Don't forget to tip your moderators. Thank you. Thank you to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's see. We had unemployment this morning. Jobless claims were lower, right, Mark?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you for that news.
Yeah, it was expected at 235,000, came in at 221.
Gotcha.
The average is still the same. Non-farm actually is better. So.
Got it. Thank you. right. Oh, and sweet. I can see my screen bouncing around up there. So all of you live should be able to see my Webull screen, correct?
Yes.
Okay, good deal. Now, again, remember, I am going to be trading futures today, which this is just the prop firm simulated account. That's what I'm going to be doing today. No, not showing off my card, Jenny, though. I appreciate it. Somebody, Jenny's sent like 800 messages. You guys want to just mute that? Leave her in the stream, though, because she's helping the algorithm out. Just mute her forever. Thank you. No, that's showing off my truck. No, that's not a show off, by the way. But I appreciate you being here. Thank you for helping the algorithm. Right here, we got a nice boost. SPY and ES. ES off that 776.75. SPY getting a little bounce off 575.75. So nice. Gang, if you think flexing a truck is big deal, that's not. Don't make me stream from my yacht. I'm just kidding. I don't have a yacht.
Stream from the jet.
Yeah, from my jet. Yeah, exactly. No. Oh, that's hilarious. All right, getting that nice bounce. You guys see that? I might look at long in this here. If it stays above that 21. I've been doing a lot of scalping this morning. Oh, I see TikTok is starting to time out. Is YouTube timing? Okay, here it came back. Apologize. I'll have my Starlink Mini back in here, but the mounts, the little suction cups kept falling off. I ordered another one, but they sent the wrong suction cup, so I didn't want that to happen again and break the damn Starlink. All right, let's take a look. All of our hot stock picks have already been posted. We've already done the pre-market setup. Now, if you guys remember, we were talking about GV yesterday. I think I was talking about that one live, but that was one that we were looking at. This is one that I identified that had really a great potential to run. Yesterday, it ran 186%. Today is up another 78%. These are the types of stocks that one of my millionaires in here was able to make his first 3 to 5 million just on these types of stocks when I would call them out. Yesterday in the pre-market for all of our VIP members, I identified this stock as exactly the ones that I used to call out to him every day. Am I right, VIP members? Open your mics. Let the world know.
Yes, of course, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So again, a lot of potential. Things that we look for in this type of stock. We were looking for high volume, higher than average volume, which it had way more than its average volume. A low free float, meaning there's not a ton of shares available, which means it doesn't take much to buy them up, so they'll move up really fast. Of course, there's no options typically, and this is a penny stock. Also, it had good news, so we had a news catalyst yesterday. And it was a penny stock, meaning $5 and under. So we had all of these things in combination, right? And this moved quite a bit. So if you guys are looking at some of the stats and the things that we look for in our hot stock picks, these are some of those things that we're reviewing. And that is why yesterday in the pre-market I talked about it for a couple minutes, saying this one had potential to be a really, really nice trade. And of course, it is, now that it's up 240% in the last 2 days. Kawi, good to have you here. Says, which membership? Yep, thank you. Premium, regular premium membership starting at $125. You can be in the Zoom. Right now, we've got 300 people in the Zoom. 300 people are in the Zoom. Thank you. What? We got another one, Scott. You guys want to just mute? Thank you. Yeah, just mute them though. Leave them all in there. Appreciate it. Got a lot of haters coming out today. That's nice. Thank you guys for boosting the algorithm, haters. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's crazy today. I love it. Hey, listen, if you don't have haters, you're not on the top, right? I gotta have all the crazies out here. It knows we're taking care of business. Appreciate
They
that.
hate us because they ain't
That's
us.
right. That's right. If you guys are watching right now, do me a favor. Make sure you double tap that screen and click follow. Click follow. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Mentorship today. Special guest appearance who's going to be taking over today for me. We're going to have Palm Coast in there. If you guys don't know who Palm Coast is, he's one of my moderators who I believe was it last month made over $2 million. Quote.
That's it.
Yeah, just last month. Let me know if I'm wrong, but in the last 3 or 4 months has made over 7 figures every single month. So he's going to be working with you today in the mentorship room. Make sure you guys check it out. It's going to be from 11 to noon today. So again, you guys get to work with all of our self-made millionaires and mentors in the room. Kawi, yeah, I would definitely recommend get the training and then you can apply that to everything else, right? But I'm not trying to sell you on anything. But listen, seriously, the training is where it's at. I need you guys to be training more and trading less. Let's put it this way, Kawi. If you went over there and bought that prop firm, you're probably going to blow it up. Am I right or wrong? Otherwise, you wouldn't be over here, right? So instead of just spending the money on the prop firm and blowing it up, like you probably have 27,000 times, yep, says right, how about you get the training and I will show you how to handle all this, right? I've been, by the way, in our VIP group, I've been trading this prop firm, this prop account all morning. This account is up $1,531. I've made 290 trades with an 84% success rate. Not that the success rate matters, but oh crap, you guys can't see it, can you? I forgot because you guys are looking at the camera. But anyways, oh, you know what? I can share that out. Hold on, yeah, I'll let you guys see what it looks like. So yes. Hold on. Oh boy, there it is. Give me just a minute and I'll show you guys. So there you go. There's the prop firm account I've been trading on this morning. You guys will see it pop up in a minute. There's a little bit of a delay, obviously, on the lives. Oh, it's quite a bit. Yeah. Coach, how do you trade SPY with a few $100s? You cannot really trade SPY with a few $100s. It's, now you guys can be trading futures with a few $100s, but definitely not that. Gosh, how much of a delay is over there? Can you guys on TikTok see? Why hasn't that flipped yet? Why is
Looking at your clock on both feeds, you got 9/11/11 versus 9/10/20. So there's a difference between YouTube and TikTok.
I wonder how much, because it still hasn't flipped over to.
Well, look, not much of a delay on TikTok.
You guys
YouTube's
are
got that good 30-second delay.
Oh, you know
40
what?
second.
Oh, I know why. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm being a goofball. Okay, so I'm just sharing the Zoom, not OBS. That's the problem. Give me a second. Remember, I'm streaming off of the other system. Bear with me 1 second, gang. I'm such a dingy. Bear with me, just making some changes. Here we go. This needs to be. Almost there. Give me a moment. Yay, there we go. Now I'm cooking with gas. All right. There we go. All right, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, all the things. You guys should now be able to see it. There we go. There you go. Can you guys see it? And again, yay. All right, now you guys can see the account, right? All right, good. Cowie, that's a prop firm combine account right there. See it, partner? Mark, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, let me give you a little self-promotion here, Coach.
Yes.
For those that joined the live Futures Education and Training program that's on at 2 p.m. Eastern Time today, we will be having a special sale for those who are tuned in at between 2 and 4 today.
Ooh, nice.
On Futures memberships.
Nice.
Thank you, Bruno.
Nice.
We're giving away the farm again.
Oh boy, here we go. Another day of this garbage, huh? Oh boy.
You got to be there. It's only going to be offered between 2 and 4 p.m. today.
Yesterday,
It's gone.
yesterday we had a sell-off and Bruno undercut me. That was nice. That was real nice. Thanks, Bruno. Appreciate you, buddy. One of our members got the most redonkulous, stupid sale that's ever happened just so that Bruno could save face and show me who's the man with sales, and I got beat up. So pride still hurt a little bit on that one, but I'll take it. I'll take that gut punch.
Thank you.
And there's the member that took advantage of it.
Hey, Coach, just to clarify,
Yep.
I am a VIP lifetime and crypto lifetime. So,
Yep. You're everything.
I kind
lifetime.
of justified the discount.
Yeah. You are everything. By the way, just so you know, that membership you got yesterday, that's a $50,000 membership.
Yes, sir. I hear that every day, and I completely agree.
Yep. And the sale that we're just running with it is 20,000. That's our normal. So that's 20K, right? So I took 30 grand off the top. So when everybody's like, "Oh, can I get a sale?" Because yeah, that is the sale. I've already accounted for everybody. And then yesterday, I jumped into the live and I said, "Hey," and I don't want to say how much it was because I don't want everybody, "Oh, I'll buy it." No, you're not. I jumped in the live and literally said, "Okay, me and Bruno got a deal, and I'm going to make you guys a once-in-a-lifetime deal." I walked in the room. I said a number. Nobody took it. About 20 seconds later, Bruno says, "I will go lower than that." He did. Boom, it was gone within 3 seconds, and that was it. Bruno wins. I'm a loser. So that's nice.
I should have let him talk more.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's, that happened. It's just another day at the office here at American Dream Trading. People getting it done, people getting super sales, people doing all the giveaways. Didn't we did another giveaway yesterday, I think, out of the futures. I think that's
Yes, sir.
4 or 5 giveaways we've done, and it's Thursday. We do so much over here to help you guys. I hope you guys all realize how much we give away, and we introduce you guys to different things and all this stuff. So hopefully you guys take advantage of some of those things. By the way, we've got 337 people in the room. You guys want to say good morning to everybody that's live? Go ahead and open your mics. Let the world know you are here.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're from Texas.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning from New Orleans.
Nice.
Good morning.
Nice. All right.
Good morning from Arkansas.
Good morning. So right
Good
now,
morning from Maryland.
thank you. There you go. We got people from everywhere.
Morning from Mount Rushmore.
Good morning from the Cybertruck in the middle of the woods. Yeah, baby.
Good morning from our base camp on Mars.
Yay! Yay!
Yay.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Coach is flexing. He's on his Cybertruck literally on Mars. He's trying to flex because he's on Mars. Oh boy. Take it easy. Everybody take it easy now. Appreciate you all.
Connection provided by Starlink.
That's
Thank you,
right.
Elon.
Yep, absolutely. One of our viewers just said, can you look at RGTI? You bet. Let me look at it right now. I don't like it at all.
It had bad earnings, by the way.
Oh, did it? Yeah, it's got a giant float, low volume. It's only got 1.46 million volume, and its average volume is 150 million. Yeah, that thing's dead on arrival right now. It's toast. It's
As
toast.
featured in the VIP Gold newsletter.
There it is, as featured in the VIP Gold newsletter. Speaking of that, if you guys, you're welcome. If you guys go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, click on pricing or just scroll down. Yeah, no worries, man. I appreciate you being here. You guys can click on join the Discord. It is absolutely free. Head to the education area. Got tons of flashcards, games, how-to videos, terminology, candlesticks and patterns, all sorts of stuff to get you guys going. So literally head on over to our free Discord. Just remember, you guys have to verify your account within 24 hours or it will kick you off the system thinking you're a bot. Also, don't forget, we will never direct message or send you a friend request. We post this all day, every day. So just so you guys are aware, we will never send you a message. We will never trade for you, copy trading, none of that crap. That doesn't exist. That's all illegal, by the way. That's why we don't do it. Speaking of legal, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us here at American Dream Trading, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything you do, that we do is for training and education purposes only. Sorry, a notification popped up over there. So make sure you guys adhere to all of our rules. If you are brand new or while you are training, make sure you're using a paper trading account or a simulated account. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure you are using small position sizes. That will allow you to let the runners run and stop out those losers. Stops on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Make sure you guys are journaling every single day. And just pay attention to what you're doing. If you guys are in a 2-minute EWO, use those rules and strategies. If you are in a straddle, a strangle, wheel option, or some other strategy that we have here, make sure you follow those rules and strategies. If you're a scalper, follow those rules. If you're a swing trader, follow those rules. They're all different for every type of different trade. All the entries and exits are all different, and how we set them up and what we're looking for and how long we're using on the time frame for the charts, what the deltas are, watching the implied volatility and all the gamma and all the thing. Pay attention. Stop clowning. You understand me? Follow the rules. Don't get crazy. Nobody go rogue. We're 9 minutes to the bell. This is March. Did anybody make any money yesterday, by the way? Open up your mics. Let the world know if you did.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know it.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Nobody's giving any of that back today, right?
Gonna do my best not to.
All right.
No way.
Okay.
Doing my best.
All right. Nice. Blue Noodles watching over on TikTok says up 5,000 this week. Best week so far. Good job, Blue Noodles. By the way, moderators, because I can't see YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, if you guys have any comments that you need, that we need to talk about, or if somebody has a question or whatever, just let me know. Obviously, we'll field all the questions after 10 o'clock, but remember, because I'm in my truck, I don't have my two, giant monitors that I can see everything with. So Rob says, yes, love this live from the Cybertruck. Yeah, something different. As the weather gets warmer, I might be down by the water, different parks, right? That's why I set up all my stuff. So I've got my laptop in the vehicle. I've got my iPad next to me. I've got my phone in front of me. This is the American dream, right? I want to be able to work from anywhere, anytime, and as long as I have internet access, I have access to the stock market, right? This is what we're doing this
like
for.
a road trip.
Yeah, exactly. So this is why we're doing this, right? I want you guys to understand van life. I love that. I want you guys to understand you can do this from anywhere, off your phone, a tablet, a Chromebook, a MacBook, a PC, a laptop. It doesn't matter, right? As long as you have internet access and you can get access to your brokerage account, you are good to go. Seriously. SCNX, starting to get a little bit of a pop here. SCNX. We got about 6.5 minutes to the bell. The market is so far to the downside, most of it. SPY to the downside at 1.2%. Apple to the downside at 0.8%. Let's see. I can see Tesla as well is also pulling. Let me pull up the Qs over here. We'll keep an eye on that as well, just so we can watch some tech. Yep, same thing. Qs to the downside. So pretty much most of the market is to the downside. So AGMH starting to get a pop. I'm sure that's probably one of our hot stock picks. Am I right?
Yes, it was. We got paid off of that this morning.
Thank you. So it's starting to make a nice little move. We're above. So check it out. We're above the 21. We're above the 9. We're above VWAP. And we're above the 200. Isn't that glorious to the upside? Yes. Now remember, those of you that are trading in the pre-market, remember there are no stops in the pre-market. You must use mental stops and small position sizes. That way you don't get your faces ripped off, okay? Who's Clearwater is, go, coach, I buy the Guinness. Yeah, yes, Brian. Thank you. You know that's my jam. You know it is. We'll be meeting at Flanagan's, right? Me and you. We'll go to Flanagan's. We'll get a nice pint of Guinness. Yes, yes. Yes, absolutely. All right, sorry, all my systems just blew up with the notifications. Okay, we got about 4 minutes, 40 seconds to the bell. Fly fishing from Montana, absolutely. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but when we first started this, like a little over 2.5 years ago, when we went live anyways, one of our members took a picture and was literally out on their kayak fishing while they were trading. They had their phone in front of them and they made like $4,000 that morning while they were fly fishing in their kayak. Do you guys remember that, any OGs? I know it was a while ago.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, yeah.
I was camping, and I made $384.
That's awesome. Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Remember, today, if we get to 300 concurrent viewers, I will do a giveaway. If we get to, let's make it a big number just because I want to see these numbers grow, right? If we get to 100,000 likes or 300 concurrent viewers, we will do a giveaway today. So make sure you guys are double tapping that screen. Make sure you click that follow, click that share, and make sure you guys keep talking. John Denver, dude. Make sure you guys ask any questions, comments, leave them in there. The algorithm loves that. Thank you so much. About 3.5 minutes to the bell. Please, nobody go rogue today. Everybody be cool. Should have another amazing day. Listen, here at American Dream Trading, we don't care if the market goes up, goes down, sideways. I don't care about any of that. I really don't. I'm going to trade what the market gives me. I'm going to check that bias at the door. And we're going to get this party started, right? So watch for those key critical areas that we had already set you guys up for success with for all of our memberships. By the way, with the regular premium membership, you will get access to those hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, and the videos on demand to get you started. That's only $125 a month. If you guys want, though, get the VIP. You guys are going to get the workshop classes, all of the early pre-market access, which is 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 12 hours of training with us every day the market is open. So that's about 60 hours a week of working with us and myself and some of the other millionaire mentors and moderators, right? There's just so much going on over here. We've got tons of advanced videos for you with that VIP. There's just so much. If you go to the membership info in our Discord, it will tell you everything about that. If you guys are a part of the VIP Gold, you guys will obviously get access to that live Apple chat, which is where you guys will see David over there. He's showing you all the different trades that he's making using only the 2-minute EWO on Apple. He's closing in on $500,000 in profits, by the way, just doing the 2-minute EWO. He's also one of our full-time trainers here at American Dream Trading, so make sure you guys check that out. If you guys want to get a one-on-one, by the way, with David, you guys can do that as well. Just go to our website and you'll see that in there. Absolutely. Prop firms, that's why I'm doing all this testing. That's why, sorry, I'm trying to look at my other phone. The prop firms, a minute and a half to the bell. This is why I've been trading prop firms every day. You guys know I always trade real cash. I've never used paper accounts ever. I've never used paper accounts. But the reason I'm doing all these prop firms is we want to become affiliate partners with a lot of these companies, and I want to make sure they're all good and legit. So far, I'm finding some of my favorite ones. The one that I'm trading today, and I'm not an affiliate with them yet, is Top Step. So far, I really like their system they have. They have a 50% consistency rule, which I don't really care for that, but that's okay. It just takes you 2 days if you do it correctly. Otherwise, it could be up to 3 days to do it, but they tell you within 2 days you can pass, which I did. You guys saw me last week. I passed 5 of their combines off 5 accounts, 150K accounts. So it can be done. You just have to make sure you're right on the line about it. But I do like the way that they handle the payouts. I love the fact that, right, they're one of the largest prop firms out there. They're reputable. One of the other ones that we were affiliate partners with, they've had so much drama, I dropped them. I literally dropped that affiliate account. That's why you guys don't see it anymore under our futures. I dropped them. We don't want a company with a bunch of drama, right? We try to avoid all that nonsense. If they ever clean up the act and don't have a bunch of weird nonsense, I'll look at reviewing them again, but I won't recommend them until that nonsense is clear. Okay, here we go. The bell is now rang. Let's have an amazing day. Love your faces. Again, I will be trading off of this simulated prop firm account, so you guys will hear me.
Order filled.
Right here, looking at SPY. You guys can
coming up on a double bottom on SPY.
Yep, I see it right here. Super heavy. So SPY here on that double bottom. SPY getting a nice pop off the double bottom. You can see Tesla pulled. Tesla pulled super hard at the open.
Yeah, Qs are tanking hard too.
Yep.
Tripled bottom.
Yep.
Order filled.
SPY right here bouncing around on this double bottom. Tesla is just absolutely bonkers lights out. You guys see Tesla?
Yeah, it's right at yesterday's low. Be careful.
Yep. Tesla's being hammered. SPY keeps bouncing around.
Order filled.
Just shorted SPY.
Order filled.
Just took $624 off of it here on this double bottom. Be careful. I'm up 2,114 for the day. There goes SPY downside. Nice. Anybody collecting on that downside?
Order filled.
It's glorious. SPY trying to get that bounce off that double bottom, still over there.
You got to switch to SPY there. Coach, you got that penny stock up there.
Oh, I got you. I'll do it in 1 second. I'm in this trade. Give me 1 second. There goes SPY. Beautiful.
Order filled.
I'm up $2,788. There you go. Yeah, SPY still to the downside. I'm actually going to share my other screen. Just remember, while I'm trading this prop, zoom right here, you guys can see me. While I'm trading this prop, just remember this is just like SPY for you, okay? So whatever you see me doing would be what I would be trading with SPY. Do not mirror or mimic my trades. I've been doing this 33 years. You might not have the mechanics or understand why and what I'm doing it. So I don't need you guys mirroring or mimicking my trades. Give me 1 second. Everybody that's watching for free, give me a moment. I'll flip this. You guys can see me trade this live. There you go. I'm almost done. I just need 159,000, and then this combine is complete. I am about what, 2,000, 3,000 short of that right now, it looks like. Can you guys all see it? Everybody that's watching, can you guys see it? You should be able to see this prop firm account.
Yes, Coach, we see it.
All right, thank you. I'm watching Tesla is still short here. Still to the downside on Tesla. Anybody in that?
I am, Coach.
Thank
The
you.
trading
I am,
stock.
Coach.
Nice
I
job.
am.
Good job.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, record to the cloud. Thank you. Now right here, I'm waiting to see if SPY is going to bounce upside. You guys, if you have our 2-minute EWO indicators, you guys can see we're on the bottom of that band down there. You see it? The channel? We are right on the bottom, so I'm being extra cautious here. Q's still to the downside. Apple getting a spike to the upside, but it is still consolidating sideways. I don't trust that thing yet.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looking here for this to go short. Oh, this looks so heavy.
Order filled.
SPY and ES futures on the floor. This is a dangerous move for me right here. Went in a little heavier too. Oh, that is so heavy. There it goes.
Order
I'll
filled.
take it. That's $800. I'm up $3,621 this morning on this simulated prop firm account. Tesla still to the downside. SPY looking like it was trying to bounce there for a second and then it failed. SPY still to the downside. Anybody in those SPY puts or Tesla's downside?
Yes.
I am, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good job.
Yes, Coach.
Coach, I'm in
Tesla
Tesla
downside.
downside as well.
Oh, good job. I need one more 1,000 and then this combine is complete. So this will be a 2-day pass on Top Step for a 150K account, making 9,000 with a 50% consistency rule, beating it in 2 days. That's
Coach, our good job is from you.
Hey, guys are crushing it. I love it. Look at
Yes,
Apple.
you are.
Apple
broke pre-market highs, blasting off.
Yeah, it did. I was just going to say that Apple's now in a 6-star trade to the upside. Nice job. Apple 2-minute EWO gang's probably loving life right now. Am I right?
Yes, critical level at 57.55.50.
Thank you.
MSTR still pulling hard.
Thank you. MSTR to the downside. Thank you. Good call out.
MSTZ for small accounts to follow that inverse.
Thank you. SPY getting a little bit of a pop. I want to see this pull come back up here. I would love to see it come right about here before I look at the next move on SPY. Anybody, Palm, do you guys support?
Yeah, we bounced off 572.40 last time.
Okay.
And then below that, we got some free air down for a little bit.
All right, thank you. Yeah, this is not trying to pop hard. Okay, here we go. I want to see this move back up and then pull back. If this stays heavy right here, I'm shorting it.
Order filled.
I've got the 9 right here. Coach got in a little early. Dang it. Should have waited for confirmation. I'm on the 9.
Order filled.
Added off the 9. There we go. Sit down. Oh. Oh.
573.27, 572.47. And below that, you got an air gap.
Yep, thank you. Yeah, I just went in heavy off this 9. If this pops, it's going to take away all my gains in one trade. Sit down. Sit down. Pull off that resistance. I also have to be careful because I can't make too much money or I'll blow the prop too. It will force me to trade another day. I have to be exactly on the money. Sit down off this resistance. 21 will be my mental stop. Come on, baby. Sit down here. Oh, don't like it up here. Come on, pull. There you go. Come on. Sitting up on resistance. Let's go. Get under that. There we go. Let's say get under that 9 and flush. Oh my gosh, it's just sitting here. Did you guys see me flash green again? That's twice. Just sitting here waiting.
Stock PLTR is pulling very, very heavy right now.
All right, thank you. Third time or fourth time that went green. Everybody see it? Come on. Come on, baby.
Chopping a little bit.
Gosh, I don't like the spot because it keeps finding that as support, and it's exactly where I'm at. I don't like that at all.
No, it looks like the little reversion fake out.
Well, it's hit that 5 times on my level, which is support, which is terrible for me. That means I either break even or barely make any money for a higher risk. Now I'm not in a good low risk, high reward situation. I'm like just sitting here. Come on, baby.
Coach, is that because of your injury?
Sixth time I've just went green. Everybody saw it, right? 7th time. There it goes. That's it. I'm out. That should do it.
Filled.
That's it. Prop firm complete. 2 days. Top Step Combine, 150K account, done. That's it.
Look at it go.
Nice job.
That's it.
RGTI, way to the upside. Be careful, don't chase it.
Thank you. According to this, I need $50. So let me show you guys a little prop firm trick. Ready? I'm going to move to micros. And I'm going to get said $50 to $100 because I can't go over that. And it's easier if I use these little micros to do it. Now watch. Now I'm going to trade the same. But I went from minis to micros, which is going to be a lot smaller movements to get exactly what they want. to beat their own prop firm to be in that 50% consistency. Let me see if they actually list what I need for it. Well, I'll have to do that in a second. Let me get this little $50. Hold on. Still heavy to the downside here. But I'm sitting at support. I don't want to buy puts and shorts here, right, gang? Do you see how this is support? This little tiny micro level. So I want to bounce up to that 9. And then I'll look at shorting it. Make sense? Right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
There it goes. Now I need $30 more. That was another successful trade. Do you see how now I can take little bits? $20, $20 here, there. And I'm controlling this by my position size, right?
Yes.
Yes, coach.
Order filled. Order filled.
I need, oh, looks like I didn't make anything off that. I still need $24, give or take. Right here, I'm back down to support, but this is heavy this time.
Order filled.
Now remember, if it goes against me, it's only going to be a couple bucks, which is also the beauty of being so small, right?
Order filled.
Oh, I'm $8 off. See it? Now this is a long spot.
Order
This
filled.
is support, coach. 57, 56, 50.
Yeah, I just hit it for support. Yep. I'm gonna put in a little stop.
Order filled.
Just got stopped out for $6. I need $15. I know I saw it as support too, and it failed it for $6 loss. What do I need? $15 for crying out loud. $15. Make ya holla. Thank you guys. Double tap those screens. Double tap those screens.
Previous day low at 57, 50, 75, coach.
57, 70.
50.
Got it.
Give or take.
Yep, thank you. Oh, this is still heavy.
First 15-minute candle did not break.
I didn't mean to disturb you, coach. What's up with AGMH?
Somebody want to look at that? I'm live trading.
Sorry.
Order filled.
You're all right. Somebody will look at it right now for you.
Order filled.
I need $9. I need $9 to wrap this thing up. $9. Now we are at the 9.
Order filled.
AGMH is on resistance, and I wouldn't touch it till it breaks 25.25.
Perfect. Thank you. There you go. There's your answer.
Yeah, thank you. I'll make 1,700 off of that.
There you go.
Bruno, I meant to call your name, sorry.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh. I need $5. The most fascinating trades ever here for $5.
Order filled.
I want you guys to see though, do you notice I traded exactly like a $100,000 trade, right?
Right.
No unnecessary risks. I'm not giving anything back if I'm wrong. There you
Order
go.
filled.
See, I still have a stop loss in place off of a $10 trade, right? Now this right here, this should be pulling off the 9. But the way it's staying up to the 9, I've got to wait till it pulls a little bit.
Order filled.
It's flat. It is flat. Oops, I went in too many that time. I went 3 instead of 1. So I have to be careful how much I make. What do I need? And I got to cover the fees.
Was it 5?
Right now it's 40, but that's because it's live, so it's bouncing around so much. Nope.
Order filled.
Don't want to be in that. Okay, it looks like it's $80 because I just took like a $40 L on that. So $80. Isn't that funny? Literally trying to get $5 and it's back and forth and back and forth and
Is this difficult because you're trying to do it in 2 days, but if you did it in 3, then you wouldn't have to worry about this?
Yeah, that's
Getting it to the
correct.
penny?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Because it's a consistency rule, you have to be like dead on. You can't be off at all with the amounts. Otherwise, they go, well, you got to do it another day.
But if you split it over 3 days, even if the last day was
it's so
$10,
much-
you're still good.
Yeah, it's so much easier over 3 days. You don't have to make as much. You don't have to worry as much about consistency rules. I'm making 4,500 a day twice. Perfect execution to pass a combine in 2 days. You must be absolutely freaking flawless to do what I'm doing, by the way. That's why I like doing it, though.
Order filled.
It excites me. I'm kind of like gaming it, you know. You get the nice.
I'm actually enjoying it myself. I'm making my first attempt here.
I get the nice little certificate. My office would be plastered in them now. All right, come on. Still heavy. But I need, what, $80? Still heavy. Stayed below the 9 or the 21. If it pops at 21, I got to get out. Now, because the amount is off, like if I get down on this, it'd be like $200, then I can just go up position size and trade it like the normal spot again. I don't have to do one contract. It's right here. I'm going to put my stop just above the 21. Risking 100 here. Yep. You
Order
see that?
filled.
It popped. Okay, now I can go a little bit larger. There it goes.
Order filled.
Tesla, first green 5-minute candle.
Thank you. Oh gosh, and then it went the other way. This little beep 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 beep, but just pulled back.
That's not a Tesla green candle. I don't see that.
On the 5-minute chart, there's this is the first green candle.
Gotcha. Thank you.
On mine. Okay.
There we go. It's upside above the 21.
Oh, sorry. I thought you meant the EWO. I got you, Breakup.
I track when the EWO is on the way down, and the first 5-minute candle that doesn't obey
Order
the EWO.
filled.
It's
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
I'm $19 off. You see it?
Nice.
Gosh, here we are again, $19, but I'm coming up on resistance right here. Previous level. This is ridiculous. Bouncing around for $19 just to beat this stupid prop firm. Now I'm moving to one.
Order filled.
One contract. Got my stop loss in place. Man, this is like watching the paint dry for me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. This is why I tell you guys, though, right? If you have like daily goals and you're like, I'm $6 away from my goal, don't chase that. Don't chase that at all. I mean, look how hard it is for me to get like $18 of back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, right?
Order filled.
So
you gotta hit $18 on the money, coach.
Yeah, well, I need to be at 159 and it can be a little bit over. So I can't be much over because I can't break that, the 50% consistency rule. But I could probably be off by a couple $100. I guess I don't have to be this damn tight. I could probably be off by $300, give or take. But like I said, I like to gamify it, right? I like to see if I can land the plane on the world's smallest runway. It just tests me. It tests me.
Is anybody able to take a peek at MSTR?
Somebody here, I'll pull it up on this one. Hold on. MSTR looks good. On the 2 minute though, you've got an engulfing candle to the downside. Let me look at it on the 1 minute.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, let me look at it in the 1 minute. Hold on. Yeah, you're all right. That's staying up tall. That just looks like a consolidation area. You want that to stay. Hold on. As long as that stays above 305, you're in business. See it?
Yeah, I got in on the downside though from a call earlier, so I'm just trying to figure out if it's going to come back down or if it's just going to continue to go up.
I gotcha. No, it's still upside.
Okay, appreciate that.
Yeah, just watch that 9. You got that 9 sitting right there.
Yep, I see that.
Yep.
Thank you.
You got it.
AGMH moving up new highs.
Thank you.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh, what am I off? $1.14? Is that? No, it's 89. Come on. Thought it was 99. No, yep. For crying out loud, got to flip to 1. Oh, it's heavy.
Order filled.
Come on. Pull off that spot. How funny is this? Chasing this like $3 move. No, you don't. Did you guys see me put my stop in there? Yeah, you did. Oh my gosh, we're so close. If down here, look at the account balance. That needs to say 159,000.
Order
see it?
filled.
My God. Come on, man. Get down there.
Almost there, coach. Almost there.
Dang it. What is this madness?
It's teasing you on purpose.
It really is. Oh, come on. There it is.
Order filled.
Get down there.
5 minutes to shift change.
Thank you. As soon as I pass this prop firm, I'll flip to my regular charts. I just wanted to pass this again. I like them. I like them a lot. Don't you do it. Don't you pop that 9. My gosh. You better sit back down. You better sit back down. By the way, everybody double tap those screens. Appreciate that. Make sure you click follow. We're live every day. Every day we're doing this. 9 to 11. Then we're live again from 2 to 4. And then we're live again at 5 o'clock Eastern on all of them. Come on, I feel like I'm in Armageddon where you got to punch it down. Come on, punch it down. You guys know what I'm talking about. Don't act like you don't.
Hell yeah, coach.
Right here. Come on, baby.
Don't break that drill, AJ.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I love it. Come on, baby. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, added one. There it goes. Come on, baby. Come on. It's right here. Come on. There it goes. So close. We're so close, gang. There it is. But I got to cover the fees.
Order filled.
Bam! Bruh, buh!
$900 added this morning, coach.
Oh, nice job. Good.
6270.
Good job.
6274. 5 days.
Good job. Everybody see what my account balance is?
Yes, we do.
Done.
It's that boss status.
Done. Done. Let's see. Today, this is how ridiculous this was. Today it took me 466 contracts. I made $4,640.88 on a simulated prop firm account. And the win rate was total account for 2 days, because it keeps it running total, 76% prop firm passed on Top Step. Live in front of all your faces, 150K account. Done.
Beast mode.
Woo, that's fun. That's so fun. That's a good time. Everybody has a good time. That's so fun.
You like that platform, Coach?
I do. Just because I like TradingView anyways. That's all it's using.
Oh, perfect.
So do you receive money on this one now, or is it the next level?
It's the next level. Yep, it's the next level. Just so you guys know, I passed 5 of them like a week and a half ago, and then I blew those up. I just went stupid. I went too big, and I actually popped them all. Again, so what they allow is, just so you guys know, off of a 150K account, you can never lose more than $4,500 in a day. If you do, they will literally just close the whole account. You're done. Start over. So the way it works again is you got to go through the combine. Then after this combine, now tomorrow, they'll move me into a live simulated account, which then I can make money off that one. But if I lose more than 4,500, and just so you know, if I do 15 contracts, that can be one trade in about 25 seconds. So you really have to be careful. Again, I cannot stress this enough. Whether you are trading a prop firm or real cash, small position sizes. Notice most of the day, you guys saw me trading 3, 5, and no more than 10 contracts. I did 15 like twice out of there, but I didn't stay in it long at all. Small position sizes. Gang.
20 seconds. Shift change.
Thank you.
Coach, sorry.
Yep, you're all right. Did everybody hear me? Small position sizes win the day, yes?
Yep. And base hits.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes. All
Yes,
base hits. Yes.
GB off the bat of bed.
Coach, I'm gone for the day. I did base hits today myself.
Nice. Hold on 1 second, GC. 10 o'clock bell just rang. New volume pouring in. Don't you leave, GC. I want to talk to you before you go. It's just 10 o'clock. Bell is rang. Everybody, let's see what's going to happen. SPY pulling. It's below the 9. You want to see it get below 574 to make the next move to a double bottom. $574 is support right now on SPY. Oh, look at that. Blast off on SPY to the upside. Woo! Off of 574 bounce. See that? Wow.
Caught it for $725.
Oh,
Coach.
nice job. Calls on support. Puts on resistance. Good job. Coming up on this resistance right here now, 575.50-ish. Now we're up on resistance. Everybody be cool. If you break that to the upside, I would look to long that to the 200. Otherwise, we're just down in this channel right here with this and VWAP. I don't want to short this yet, just so you guys know, just because VWAP's right here. I would wait for us to get below this 470, 470-ish area. This channel is, I mean, the whole channel, if you look at the bottom, is 574 on the downside, 575.50 upside. Everybody see it? That's the channel. Let me mark these out. Green long, red short. If you go long above that level at 575.50, you got the 200 there, so be careful. And if you go short at 574, you can see support again at 573.50. So you only got about 50 cents downside that you're watching for. Could get a gap down though to 573 yesterday, previous low of day. So I'll be watching that as well. All right, talk to me, GC.
Yeah, I'm gone, Coach. I'm trying to make a habit of getting out of here by 10 o'clock or before every day.
Yes.
So did about almost 36,000 on Tesla today.
Oh my goodness gracious. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Good job. Nice.
Yes, sir.
$36,000 and the market's been open a half an hour. I love it. Now, do you remember me, GC, when I used to say you don't have to sit in here all day, and that I used to trade about 9 minutes and be done, right? So 30 minutes is definitely the norm, right? Remember me saying that?
Yes, sir.
Yep. You do
Yes,
not.
Sir. Not going to do it. I'm not going to be in here all day.
That's right.
I love y'all guys, but not that much.
Nope. I understand. There's no reason. Yeah, seriously, you can make all that money in the first half an hour. See ya, right? Enjoy it.
Yeah. That's right.
Good.
And I believe it was around 26 yesterday.
Nice.
Right,
job.
GC?
Good.
She going to call you. 33 yesterday, Richard, I think it was.
Oh my gosh. Nice job.
I was discounting the tips.
Nice. Nice. Well, go enjoy your day, my friend. Appreciate you. Love your face. Let's give it up for GC, everybody. Come on, get that clap in there for him. Come on, open your mics. Get that clap for him. I don't have the clap machine out here. Let's go.
Man, bro. Keep it up the good work.
Bravo.
Rushing it.
Love it.
You are
Way to go, Nick.
unbelievable.
GC, way to go.
Love it, love it. Love it,
Have a
love
good
it.
day, GC.
Thank you. Thank you. Coach, you be careful.
This morning.
I think you got the coin, so you better be careful.
I got the what?
You got the coin. You got the ship. I made you host.
Oh, crap. Uh-oh.
Star Trek.
Oh,
boy.
boy.
You got the coin.
Yes. Yes. Yep. Got it. I'm on it. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Enjoy your day.
I surely will.
Live long and prosper, GC.
That's
Thank you.
love it.
You guys all miss.
But listen, let's be honest. The old Star Trek is better than the new. So
Oh yeah.
I said what I said. That's it.
You guys are such nerds.
That's the end of
Got
it.
there.
The end of
Gotcha.
that
Got you on that one.
discussion.
Nerds.
End of that discussion. It is. I
Trekkies.
said what I said.
Truth hurts, Coach.
Yep. Look at this. Who's
Copy
in this
that.
spy long? That's nice. Now remember, I said right. I've got it right. I've got it right on my screen above 575.60. Right. I said that's where you go long, watching for the 200. And the short was below 574. So who went long on SPY above 575.60?
I did.
Thank you.
I did, Coach.
Good job.
Hell yeah.
Nice job. Good work. So you guys are listening. I like it. Now I'm going to go old school
Aim in
on
the
you.
cues, Coach.
I'm going to go old school on you. I love it when a plan comes together.
Thanks, Hannibal.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Hannibal.
There
Yeah,
you
right.
go. There you go. There you
Game is
go.
back.
Yeah. That's awesome. What's even crazier is I remember
The only
watching.
question is, Coach, is who gets to be Murdoch?
Yeah, exactly. The funny thing is I remember, as a kid, you're like, I want to be Face. The girls love
Christina.
him. And now I'm the old man, so I am the Hannibal, right?
Christina's Murdoch.
Christina.
Well, I'm who?
It's Christina.
It's Christina.
Christina's, get it straight.
You get my wife's name right.
Are you deaf or are you stupid?
I pity the fool that doesn't listen to you, Coach. I pity the fool.
There you go. Thank you. SPY way up here on the ceiling, but 577 showing a little bit of a pullback. Still to the upside here, above the 200, above 576.60, which is where I originally liked it anyways, so we'll see what happens. Still to the upside. Everybody's still making money.
Combine screen.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
You're on your combine screen.
Oh, am I? My bad. Hold on. Let me flip it. Thank you. There you go. Is that right?
Yep.
Thank you.
There you go.
You in the Tesla truck, Coach?
I am. I'm in the Cybertruck today.
Beast mode.
Cyber trading.
That's right. Be careful. You guys are coming up on that big old top here, 577.70. Everybody see it? $577.70. That's going to be a pullback area. Be careful. You guys, you hear the sound of my voice. Just be careful here, right? Scoot your stops up and or collect. You can always add. Listen, if it breaks through, you can add. That's the beauty of it, right?
Coin's been running.
All right, thank you. Somebody's mic's open. It's picking up speaker.
7th candle, be careful.
Yeah, and it's 577.70. What's going on with Apple, partner?
New high day, sir.
Yep, thank you. I see it. Nice job.
Let's try this. I said coin's been running.
Okay, thank you. Yep, the whole market is just on blast off here. Qs, SPY, MSTR, Apple. There's that pullback I just told you guys on that 577.70 on SPY, yes? What did I say up there? Collect. And then you guys, yeah, and you guys can always add if it goes above it, but at least take it while you have it and you lock in the gains and then look at adding again, right? Listen to the sound of my voice. That's what I'm here for. Look at that pullback on SPY. If only there were one place, right?
4% Apple calls.
There is, Coach. American Dream Trading.
Thank you. American Dream Trading.
Let me show you something.
Yeah, let me just show you something.
Get you some.
.com.
.com. Nice. MYW over on TikTok says, saving my money to get one of Coach's programs to boost my profit. Coach is the best trader. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Come on over, bro. You're going to love it.
Look, thank you. Look at that pullback, 577.70. Who collected up there on that ceiling?
You bet them I did, that was in it.
I did.
The only way to fly.
I did.
Good job. Now, listen, the rest of the world got FOMO, and they're like, it's going to run forever. Okay, take it easy, right? Let's just wait for the next setup. Let's take our money right here. This is bouncing off the 9. It's really close. If that breaks 577.70, I will add or get in for the long. Right?
Right.
Looks like this. You guys can see here, right? This is the level. We've got to get through that level before I long it again. See it? A little visual there for you.
I see it, Coach. I see it also in the 1 minute. It was the 5 to 7 candle rule.
Yep.
Very nice.
That 578 level's been huge for the last 3 days too, Coach.
That's right. Orlando, go ahead. You got your hand up.
I'm up 10% on SPY calls right now.
Yes.
I got out at that resistance level.
Nice job. Beautiful trade. We can always look at going in again after it breaks through. But I like to collect in key critical areas, because think about it, if that knife dropped and pulled and then stop losses started triggering, that thing's on its way down, right? And I don't want to deal with all that. I want to collect my money when I'm in the green, take my profits, and then look for the next setup.
That's exactly why I got out, Coach.
Good job. And look at how smart you were. Huh? Like you're some sort of savant. A genius!
Yes, sir.
It's a genius! It's staying up tall, but the longer it consolidates, it can get some weakness fast, so we got to watch this area. This is trading in a consolidation channel up here on the top side. That's dangerous, by the way. I mean real dangerous. For long holders, you could get your face ripped off completely here, by the way. The reason that is, especially on a major resistance level like this, is if it continues to consolidate for, I don't know, 2 or 3 more candles, buyers will start to get scared, right? It's got to make a move. If it doesn't make a move, buyers are going to get real scared. They can start to get skittish and go, you know what? I don't want to do that now, right? No, it just tapped up there again. It just tapped the ceiling, pulled back, still hasn't broke, right? It's done it twice.
It broke a penny, Coach.
Yep, it's done it twice. It tries to go through and pulls back. Did it again, pulled back. Let me see if anything major. Nothing major, okay. SPY is still down a full 1% right now. Even after this comeback, it was down 1.5%. Yeah, it does have a gap to the upside, but that doesn't mean it's going to fill, right? Everybody always thinks those gaps fill. That's not necessarily true at all. It just means it could get back to that spot. Buffett dumped all his SPY. What does he know? Nice. Buffett's a long-term holder of everything. It just compounds.
See you, Coach. Everyone have a good day.
Yes. How'd you do? Did you do all right today?
Yeah, it's 10% up on my full account.
Oh my gosh. Where the hell are you going to make 10% on your entire portfolio within 45 minutes? What in the world is going on over here? That can't be right.
American Dream Trading, baby.
That can't be right. This is some sort of BS. There's no way in hell during a red market somebody made 10% of their entire portfolio. This can't be right.
Gotta be a scam.
Yeah, it's got to be a scam.
Must be one of those paid actors.
Right. Have a great day, man. Great job. I'm very proud of you.
Thanks, Coach.
Good job.
Make sure on the way out you get yourself an American Dream Trading sticker. Put that right on your car, your forehead, slap it on your coworker's face, whatever you want to do with it. Just don't get in trouble, okay? That's nice. SPY touched in here again. This is the 4th time we're inside of the ceiling. Do you see it? 4 times here. This is the 4th. Still hasn't broke that 578. Did you see it? We've got it on here.
Coach, I don't know if you answered this question already. It's been up there for a while over on YouTube. Live chat from Will H. Are you watching volume or level 2 or any other data? Or are you just straight up trading on 1 minute?
I'm watching everything. I watch literally every single thing when I trade. Literally everything at the same time. I'm calculating in real time constantly. I'm just so used to doing it. Yeah, everything. I'm literally watching everything at the same time. Did you guys see where it touched it again up there on the ceiling, never broke and pulled back? Do you see why people can get crushed so easily up there? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
User 1609 says, I can't believe this is personal. I think I'm in the right spot. Yes, you're in the right spot. And yes, we got live open microphones. There's 408 people in my room right now, by the way, with a live Zoom. Everybody has a microphone. Anybody can ask questions at any time. This is real stock market, futures, options, and crypto training. We do it all here, and it's live, right? 12 hours of training for our VIP members. And what is it? 6.5 per day for our regular premium members of training.
24 hours, man.
Yes. Cloud Lab says, would you mind hopping on a call and introduce me to trading and give me some tips on how to trade? That doesn't work, Cloud, unless you want a one-on-one with me. It's only $6,000 if you want to take advantage of that. Okay, right here we are to the upside, and we broke through to the upside. That is a long situation up here. Everybody sees it, knows it. You knew when to do it. You knew what to look for. You knew when to get in. Now everybody's getting paid to the upside again. Merry Christmas. Am I right?
That's less than the 200, possibly.
There'll be a pullback here.
That's all right. Just watch it. You already know your levels. Did anybody make money when it broke through right there?
Yes.
That was nice. I know it's small, but if you're going to scalp, 30 cents on SPY is massive gains, just so you know. All right, if this can't hold the 9 after it just got pushed back, we're going lights out. But it's still the upside. And what did it come down in respect, everybody on the 1 minute? What did it just come down in respect?
9.
9. Boom, off to the races. And here we are again. Now we're above that key area again. We're already long again. That was you already know. You already know where to go. It's literally on my screen. I can't get any more chutes and ladders than that, can I? First time here. You trading options or just buying and selling shares? Both. Reg P says, this is the greatest coach in the business. I'm up 2% in green 12 days straight. He is the reason. Nice job. That's over on TikTok. Remember, I can't see YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch. I can't see any of those. So moderators, if you got anything over there, just let me know. Or read out the comments. Trading in the truck today, just for something different, right? If you guys want, because I have my camera on here in a minute, I'll do a walk around the vehicle if you guys want to see it. Because I do, I'm using the laptop camera, so I can literally show you guys. Hold on. Let me see.
Yes, Coach. Show us what outside looks like.
You guys, here's the inside. I'm showing you the inside off the live cam. You guys should all be long on that SPY, not financial tax or investment advice, but you knew where to get in on that again, right? Okay, good.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
You
Good job.
making that money.
Yes.
579.16 is the next level, Coach.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Good call.
Paper trading account.
Yep. Yo, I see it. I've got it marked at 579.13. What did you have, partner?
579.16.
Sounds right. We're 3 cents off. You're a genius. You guys can see it right here on my screen. It was already marked 579.13. So, and everybody in this room, right? And we're saying 13 and 16. You know what that means. That's 579, right? 20 to 40 cent variance, remember? Somebody said only 6K LMAO. Yep. I really do charge that, by the way. But that's because we're literally making millionaires in this room. Like, everybody in this room knows what people are really making here. This is not TikToks you guys are watching at 3 a.m. There's new high over
I
here.
literally walked out of my one-on-one and made my money back from the one-on-one within 15 minutes from what you taught me in the one-on-one. So that's how good it is.
Did you guys hear that? It took her 15
learned it.
minutes. 15 minutes to make back the
Yep.
cost of the one-on-one when she sat with me.
Yep.
There you go.
Coach, I've
So
been in here
worth
so
it.
long, we got our periods synced up.
Yes. Oh wow, that's nice.
That was great.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, I don't. Is
You
that
must
you?
have daughters.
Is that you, Waltz? Is that Tim? Tim Waltz, did you just come in here? Sorry, bad political joke. My bad. I'll keep them to yourselves.
That's funny, I got it.
Okay. Everybody's like crickets. Like, what does he mean when he says sorry? Sorry, don't worry. We'll put those in the men's locker room for you.
I'm not saying nothing. I got yelled at the other
Dun-dun-dun.
day.
I'm from Minnesota. I got it.
Thank you. Spy still climbing. Nick, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, I got a question about the psychological levels, like the whole dollar.
Uh-huh.
Any other things with the psychological levels, and does the that spread like grow to like $5 increments when you get up there in stock price?
No, but the other things that great points, but the other thing that's going to happen is the next major level is going to be a 3-digit change. So 600, 700, 800, right? Those are going to be major. If it was a small stock that was like $10 and $11, then same thing, $10, $20, $30, right? It's when it gets to those natural numbers like that people start paying attention to it, which just gives it more strength, right?
Because when people look at stuff, that's what they trade off of.
Correct.
And we're just trying to find what people are. Okay.
Yeah, that's correct. So think about it. If you go into options and you look at like the 600 contracts, are probably more than all of them because it's a whole number that people can lock in on something, you know?
Well, and when you go to put in a stop, people don't put in a stop for 603. You know,
Yep.
they put in a stop for 600.
That's
or
correct.
$6.
That's correct. And that's why when I say 579.13, it's technically 579, right? It's just we see it in that range. So, and by the way, this just hit 578.71. How many cents off from 579 is that?
Between 20 and
29.
40.
That's 29 cents. Isn't that within our threshold of 20 to 40 cents?
Sure is.
So isn't
job, Christine.
that then up here on our resistance level and it pulled back?
Yep.
Show enough.
Almost to the penny.
And
Yeah,
don't
sure enough.
and don't we get in early on those trades? We don't wait for it to hit the mark.
Yes.
And what do we buy on resistance?
Puts.
So what
Puts.
would that have been?
A put? What?
Oh, yeah, it's a put trade. Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, you were on
Okay.
it. You were with me. You were in sync with me. We were jiving. What do the kids say? We were
We were jiving.
vibing.
We were vibing.
Vibing.
Ooh, look at that candle.
Yep. So
We
any,
vibed.
so
Kids in the 70s.
anyways,
Well, that's where we're from. So.
let's see.
That's right.
Yeah, Panama says I was back here when he's charging 400. Yeah, it might have been less than that. Listen, when I first started this whole American Dream trading 4.5 or 5 years ago, I was charging $5 a month per person. $5 a month per person. And I was creating millionaires back then, and they were tipping me like $100, and I was having people paying off their houses and their cars and like retiring. They're like, here's $100, coach. I'm like, yay, thanks, man. I just literally gave you generational wealth, right? Where's my million? You know what I mean? So yeah. So yes, I started at $5 a head. Now I can charge $6,000 an hour. You think Grant Cardone can charge $250,000 per hour when he started? That ain't how this works. But once you understand what I'm doing, And now we have the trust built in, and now everybody knows our name at American Dream Trading, and everybody respects and trusts what I'm saying. Of course, now I can charge what I'm worth. And guess what? I think I'm worth more than that. Because when I'm trading in an hour, I can make $50, $60, or $70,000. So if you think me charging $6 is too much, I don't think it's too much at all. Like at all. So you just have to put it into perspective. Make sense? Do you do trading
Yes,
with
Coach.
other people's money?
Yes,
No.
Coach.
No, I do not trade with other people's money. By the way, that's illegal. No one's allowed to trade with other people's money, by the way. That's illegal. So no, never. Not a chance in hell. No, and this is
Coach, I caught that drop down to the 21 on ES.
Oh, beautiful. Good job. This is why the other day when I had GC and Palmco saying that they would do a one-on-one for the next 3 people that bought the Diamond Lifetime memberships, you guys realize, right, that they're making $50,000 to $100,000 an hour, and you had the opportunity to sit with them for an hour? Are you serious? So when you guys start talking about what are you worth, well, listen, just so you guys know, right, I literally make millions of dollars. I'm not trying to be ego, braggish, none of that. I make millions per year. Millions. So how much is it worth of my time to sit with you for an hour? Not how much do you think it's your worth, your time with me. How much is my time worth? Right? I get paid about $3,000 an hour regardless if I show up, wake up, walk in the room, talk to you, whatever I do, that's about what I'm worth, just so you know. So how much is it worth again for me to show up to just to talk, right? So
proof is in the pudding.
It really is. But listen, I didn't start there. We don't start there. It took all of this work and all of the things and me doing this stuff and me proving it and us making literally almost $200 million in profits and retiring 200 people and you guys listening to people making millions a month and some people making 30 million and 22 million, another one at 28 million, and Palm's over here literally, tens of millions. GC now over 13 million. Listen, so yes, I can charge that. So when everybody's like, ha ha ha, it's funny. I had even little tick toddlers out there. He charges how much? There's a difference between what we do and what you're doing, right? So major difference. Yeah, some of you guys, BMAX says, I got the lifetime premium for $550. We don't even have that anymore. That's not even a thing anymore, right? That doesn't even exist.
I joined for 500 right after you started in August.
Yep, $500, which I thought then was dumb.
For that lifetime.
Yeah, which I thought even for myself, I thought this is stupid. I'm giving away the farm. But it was okay because I had to build up the reputation that we have. So I already knew it was a loss leader ad. To build the reputation, I needed the halls to be filled with people singing the praises and oh my gosh, and look at the stuff and doing the things. And I already knew what I had to do. And I did it. And we built it from the ground up and here we are. And now look at how everybody's doing. It's incredible. What you guys are doing is just incredible. It's awesome to watch. I love this. Love this.
We owe you our lives, Coach. Thank you, brother.
No, I love you guys, man. It's been such an amazing ride. I'm so blessed to have you guys here. Listen, I wouldn't be sitting in a cyber truck if it weren't for you guys trusting me, somebody you just saw on TikTok or YouTube one day, like, hey, what's this old man talking about? If you guys wouldn't have taken a chance on me, I wouldn't have any of this, right? So I owe it all to you guys.
Fuck.
Somebody made a lot of money or didn't have a stop loss. Moderators, you want to make sure that if that happens again, you remove him. You guys can see who it was. I can't.
As soon as I seen you on TikTok, I joined immediately because I could tell that you were legit and sincere.
Thank you, man. Yeah, I think we've built a great home, a good community, people helping people. We've done a lot of amazing things in this room, and our moderation team, all the support we're getting. We've had amazing vendors. I mean, we've had some issues behind the scenes you guys don't realize, but we've worked through it all. I've, made sure we had the best team that we could ever possibly have. I mean, think about it. If you guys open a help desk ticket, I don't think anybody's ever waited more than 5 minutes. If you did, it was a one-off. Am I right? I mean, that's...
Absolutely, Coach. Yeah.
Yeah, nobody...
Coach, I joined because I was staring at the back of your head. I go, nobody could be trying to scam me while I'm watching the back of his head. You were trading.
Oh, that's hilarious. That's hilarious.
Coach, you did the pre-market
Remember
setup
we
every
watched
day?
the back of your head in the beginning the whole time?
Yeah, it was a over-the-shoulder view of my monitors. Yep.
Every day for months, I wrote down
Can't be a scammer.
Yeah.
all your pre-market setups. I wrote it all down. I had no idea what it meant, what
Yep,
to do with it, but
right.
I still have it all.
That's
Every
awesome.
day, all the pre-market setup, I wrote down all those numbers. I'd look at them, but I didn't know yet.
That
and then
is-
I finally got in.
That is awesome.
Awesome. Yeah.
Nice job. Good job.
Coach,
Yes.
you're amazing.
Thank
And you have an amazing team.
Yeah, this is an amazing team. We wouldn't be where we're at without the team. I couldn't do all this by myself. I tried that for the first a little over a year. I was running basically everything by myself with a handful of people. But I'd rather have more than less.
You were putting in crazy hours.
Yeah, it was a lot. I was 16 to 18 hours a day, every day. That was just live. That was live. That wasn't the admin behind it. Because when I got done, I had to do everything. Billing, marketing,
Yep.
accounting, right? Everybody that had issues, help desk, right? I had to do it all. I was doing, all of it the whole time. And I still do it all.
I don't see how you did it.
Yeah, it was a
I don't
lot.
see how you done it because, it was every day.
It was a lot. That was the difference. So I came from being an entrepreneur my whole life. I ran my own company for 18 years before all this. And then I ran other large companies running all of their companies. So I was already used to 24/7 team, no sleep, grind it out, work, do the job, no quit, hustle all day.
Well, I appreciate the time you put in.
Thank you, guys. Love everybody being here. You guys are awesome. Doug, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner. Sorry it's been so long.
Not a problem, Coach. I just wanted to tell everyone who's listening, we get pop-up visits from Coach in the Futures group all the time. So, if you're interested in hanging out with Coach when he's trading at night with us, that's where you want to be.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm always just like not as much as I'd like, only because that the aftermarket is right at the time when I'm spending it with my wife. So I work all day and then we hang out in the afternoon. So unfortunately, the aftermarket is literally when that's, hang out with my wife time. Otherwise, I'd be there more. But I'm always trying to pop into somebody's something somewhere to work with somebody or, try to build you up or just see what's going on. But I'm always there. Every ticket, just so you guys know, I'm reviewing every ticket. Most of the tickets you guys will see me in. My hand's in there, right? I'm still always making sure everything is on point. Always and forever. And I don't micromanage my team. You can ask any of my moderators in here. How often do I say, what did you do today? What did you do this week? What did you do this month? I've never asked that of any of my moderators, ever. And I mean ever, because I have been a manager for so long. It falls into two categories. You're either kick ass at your job or I'll fire the shit out of you. That's it. Seriously, I don't need to be like, what did you do today? If I got to ask you, you don't have a job, right? I don't have time for that. You're either going to be the best at what you do or see you at the unenjoyment line. Bye.
Unenjoyment line. I never heard
Yup.
that.
That's funny.
Yup.
You never heard that?
Yep. I
We used
don't.
to call it that all the time.
Yeah.
Make that up.
Yeah.
That's great.
No, I don't play that. I just don't play that game. So that's why our staff is the best. Because if they weren't, they wouldn't be here, right? So. But that's also why I give my staff raises that they don't even know when I do it. Right? I make sure everybody's taken care of. You do a great job, you get paid more than you should. Or more than you would expect. Let me put it that way. Not more than you should, more than you would expect. Hell, I hired our latest videographer in here. He told me what he wanted to make, and I told him, no, you're going to make more. I said, that ain't enough.
Right here.
Yeah,
That
I'm like,
happened.
didn't I?
Yes, sir. We saw it in the moderator.
Yeah, I didn't say,
me.
hey, yeah, that's
I'm
great,
the guy.
thanks.
It happened.
Yeah,
I'm not
I don't.
lying.
Yeah, I'm like, no, I'm going to pay you more. You're worth more than that. So, I appreciate all of you. It takes the whole team to do what we're doing. Again, I appreciate it. This was coming back to the 6,000 an hour. We all work our butts off here to make sure we give you the absolute best of the best of the best here. Absolutely. I won't go into specifics, but I had a member have an issue yesterday. Bruno and I were on a phone call, a Zoom meeting, literally within 3 minutes of the ticket being opened. Like, let's have a meeting now. Took care of all of it. Done. All of it. Done. No questions asked. Just took care of business. That's how we are here. Am I hiring? Not right now. But listen, I'm always looking for talented people. Some people are getting paid with services. It really depends on how much you do and what, how involved you are. Obviously, the front-facing people, they all get paid. Bruno's, right, ops manager, and I got Miranda, and, I got all different people in different places that they get paid. David, of course, and Mark and everybody. And then I've got people that are more volunteer staff. So if you're just like doing some things or some part-time, I'll say, hey, how about I give you $20,000 worth of services per year? So basically it breaks down to about $1,800 per month in free services you're getting to do some part-time stuff for us, right? So it really, it just depends on what you're doing for us, what is our needs, all that stuff. So, but I'm always looking for talent. Seriously, if you guys want to join our the media team, and you want to make some videos per week, I got no problem giving away these memberships because it helps me and it helps you. Because think about it. If, by the way, our moderators get all of our products and services for free. All of them. So if you are part-time videographer, media team, like we work with you guys on, right, the cool things and perks and stuff you guys get. But think about it. If you just got into my mentorship program, that's $6,000 a year with nothing else. Just that one program. Well, guess what? If you're doing workforce, you get that. You get the VIP, you get the VIP gold, you get the crypto, right? You get all the gold breakout rooms, all the workshop classes. You get all the mastermind classes that I charge $200 to $250 a pop for. Like, you get all this stuff. So one way or the other, I want to make sure everybody's taken care of. So it's either going to be compensation with money or services. And it just, again, depends on what your roles are. Look at SPY. It stayed above that 577.70 area. Came down and touched it a bunch of times and ran up. Anybody in that long? I know I was rambling forever.
I just sold off.
I am.
Good a job.
Coach.
Yes. Talk to me, Mark.
I tightened up my stop and just got stopped out.
Thank you.
Yeah, 579.80 is resistance.
Yep, and I've got what is this level? 579.67. Yeah, we're right on the same page. And then I've got another one at 580. Yeah, go ahead, Mark. I hear you, brother.
Well, it's changed since now, but new PR for today. That's all I'm going to say.
No.
And actually adding to it right now.
Are you serial?
That's it. That's all I'm going to say.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome, Mark.
Goodness
You've
gracious.
created an animal, Coach.
Dude, I love it.
Congratulations, man.
Oh my gosh. So proud of you, Mark.
Way to go, Mark.
Coach, what did he say?
He got a new PR today, a new record high of profit taking in a single trading day. Good job, Mark. Did you send me a screenshot? I didn't see it. If you did, I don't know if you did or not.
No.
Okay.
Nope. I'm going to cease doing that. So for those of you, the ones, my last PR, you guys will know what that was.
Yeah,
So
I know what
just
it was. Wait, did you say you're going to
It's not
stop?
blowing it away.
Did you say you're going to stop sending me
Posting, yes.
to me?
Well, I do like you, but you
Well, I was going to say, why would I
I'm
not
going to
see
kind
it?
of hold back on. No, that's all right.
Yeah,
I will tell
that
you.
wouldn't make any sense if I can't see it, but I hear you. All right, nice job, everybody. Keep it up. Yeah, let's Yeah, that, yeah. I get screenshots of people showing me millions of dollars in a day, Mark. I think you'll be all right.
I'll be there one day.
Good job. Good job.
I'll be there one day.
Yeah, you'll be there one day. Shut up. You're already there. You stop it. You stop it. Stop clowning. Good job. Yeah, Mark, if you don't want to show, if you don't want to show me, Mark, that's okay. It's all right.
I think you meant he's gonna stop putting that number in the
profits and loss.
You know, for everybody to see.
Yeah, no, I understand. Once you start getting that much money, yep, I get it.
Yeah.
That's why you guys can go to percentages though, right? If you don't want to show like the big numbers. Good job. Speaking of that, everybody make sure you guys are posting your profits and loss, by the way. Now remember, only paid members can see the profits and loss area. And I kind of use that, by the way, as a gauge, like how you guys are doing, who needs help, what's happening. How many times have I targeted you guys when you're struggling because I saw it in the P&L, right? If I don't know it, I can't help. Good job. Nice job, though, Mark. Just so everybody knows, though, Mark is making more money than he's ever seen in his life. We'll leave it at that. Pretty absolutely freaking amazing. Everybody do me a favor. It's 10:43. Would you guys all head over to X, go to x.com, post something real nice about American Dream Trading, and tag me at ADT Coach. We're going to start giving away money, by the way, for those of you that are doing that. So get ready for that. We're building that on the back end. We're literally going to be paying everybody that starts doing that. We've got a system that will track your posts. It'll track how many views you get. And we are going to start paying all of you on how many views you guys have just by simply taking 20 seconds out of your day and posting and tagging us. How does that sound?
Love it, Coach.
That sounds awesome.
I've got earmarked this year about $50,000 to pay to all of you for your posts. But if you guys don't like money, don't do it. Speaking of money, congratulations to all of our affiliate people that are in the room. Last count, if you guys looked at the stock lounge, it's freaking ridiculous. Let me see if I can find it. I posted like the last 10 only because that's like the rows that it's listed in. Here it is. This is the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys ready? These are the payouts. These are our recent payouts. Are you guys ready? Affiliates, those of you using the links. Chef Mike, $3,450. Taji, $3,000. Macatrade, $3,000. Machine Man, $1,650. BMAC, $1,620. Alonzo, $1,200. Geosky, $1,200. Dog Z, $1,200. BRNST, $1,125. Use your affiliates. Let people know. Share it on LinkedIn. Share it on the Twitch. Share it on Rumble. Share it on the Dirt. Share it on the Heenum on the Heenum on the and you can make that money, and you make that money now.
Whoa.
All right.
Easy there. He has completely lost it.
Just a little something.
That was a catchy tune right there.
Thank
A little
you.
bit of no sleep going on right there.
Thank you. Think about it. Think about it. What is that? Think about it. That's
Super
like
latte.
that's like $20,000 in the last payouts. Did you guys hear all that?
We heard it.
What are you waiting? What are you waiting for? Get over there. Post it. Get to work. Do it. Do it now.
All right, Coach. I posted one, but I still think you're not seeing them. Can you let me know?
Yeah, let me look. All right, I see one from Mark, our Mark, Bucko, Ange, Vanette, Nathan, JR, Zach. I did not see yours. That is weird. I even friended you on it. How?
I know.
It's like you got
I got dozens.
a ghosted band account or something.
Something.
What you doing over there, man? You spamming people?
Hell no.
Yeah, I'm literally like your friend down there. I should see everything you post. That is weird.
You think?
Texas Polar Bear just posted. Holy crap! Texas, are you in here? Oh my god. Oh, you're in the YouTube Live. Says he was in the paid group due to life events, but I still watch YouTube Live. Listen to this. In 2 weeks, watching YouTube Live for free, his account is up 72%. Nice. Congratulations, Texas Polar Bear. I see you. Appreciate you. Someday, hopefully, we'll have you back, man. That is awesome. Good job. Proud of you. Thank you, everybody, for posting over here on the X. As soon as we go live, by the way, with that program, you guys will be the first to know. I'll post it in all the channels. Maybe we'll do a quick little like, hey, this is how you do it, but it's going to be very cool. Dan, I see yours. Thank you, Dan. Christina, I see yours. Christina, you're using the wrong link, by the way.
I know. I don't know what the. I just looked at it. I'm like, what the hell is that? That's
Yeah.
what my affiliate link was before.
Nope.
I don't know.
The one you're linking is if they want to start a business using that platform.
I don't know why I have that.
Yeah, that ain't going to make you no
I've
money.
got the other one. But it's for a gold. It's not for just anything. So I'm just gonna put that one.
Well,
I'm gonna replace it.
Open a ticket if you need help, okay? Open a ticket if you need help.
I struggled with it the other day for like an hour trying to figure it out.
Let's open up a ticket. We're here, man. Come on now.
I know. I just
Stop. Listen, I want you to get paid. Open a ticket.
All right.
How are you doing, by the way, Christina? Did you have a good day yesterday? You did all right today, I hope?
No. I mean, no, not great. No.
Today?
I'm struggling because you know why I'm struggling? Because I need it so bad. And I'm trying to put money down to get a car, and I can't get a loan.
But
and I
you're
just need, like,
forcing the trades, though.
$3,000. It's just to put down, but I had to pay my rent, and I just
I hear you. Well, don't be
just struggling. So stressing.
Don't force the trades.
I know. I'm just
And-
stressing, I gotta get rid of this rental car.
I got it.
Pay for it.
And
deposit. Ugh.
and don't overtrade.
I know.
So-
I can't. I can't possibly do that. I don't have enough buying power.
All right, well,
So,
that's good then.
yeah.
Listen, this goes for all of you.
Yeah.
When your back is against the wall, it's the hardest place to trade from because then you're going to like really be after the dollars. Don't do that. You've got to trade the same. And everybody, you need to seriously focus on how much you're trading because here's the other thing that'll happen. Especially if you have like an unlimited account and 25K and margin and all that. You're like, oh, I can just trade all day long. That's not how this works. It's not like you're going to sit there and trade for 8 hours and make money for 8 hours. It's going to be up and down and up and down and up. So just stop, right? Stop doing that. Make your money, shut it down, don't look at it again, right? That's it. Look at GC, perfect example. Made his money. He was in there in the pre-market all the way through till 10 o'clock, did what he was supposed to do, made his $36,000, out. Done, right? Nice. Ange, nice. I see you over there. Appreciate you. Thank you, Mike. Mike Duffy, I see you. Patience for Pennies, I see you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, we have different packages. Just go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Absolutely, Michael. Good to see you. Thank you. We're at 19,000 likes, so there's no giveaway as of yet. We're at 208 concurrent viewers, so no giveaway on that yet. That's cool. I've been wanting to learn. Know nothing of trading at all. Absolutely. Join us, Michael. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Just sign up for the free Discord. You literally don't even have to buy anything yet. Just get comfortable, get educated, start to look at stuff. Watch my YouTube videos. Just click that subscribe button. That's all I ask, right? I've got 2,000 training videos for you over there. We post stuff all day long. Our goal is to post at least 500 pieces of content per month. 500. You heard me right. That's our goal. That's what we're shooting for. We have more free training than any other stock market education company in history that I'm aware of. Get over there, right? We want to be the leaders across the board for everything. And it starts with letting the world know what we know, right? We're not gatekeeping. We're letting you guys know. We train you all day, every day. It's just once you get in these memberships, you get to work with us. And that's where the magic happens, when you can physically talk to us and ask questions and see what we're doing. And like today, right? I got one of my guest moderators coming in for the mentorship program. You guys are going to be working with Palm. Palm, I don't even know how much he's made today. This guy just makes ridiculous amounts of money. He did $2 million last month. He's going to be training you guys in the mentorship program. I mean, that's amazing, right? So, anyways, we got something for everybody. Don't forget to get something for the kids. We got stuff for the kids. Head on over to the snack bar. You guys will see our storefront over there. We got mouse pads, hats, backpacks. We got women's dresses, men's shirts, bags, cups, coffee mugs, thermoses. We got everything over there. Head on over to our store. We got something for everybody. Aaron says, Doug, why are you paper trading, not live trading? He's doing it for a couple of weeks. Yeah, he told us in the beginning he was going to do it for a couple of weeks, get comfortable before he put real money into it, which is smart. That's what you guys should all do, right? Yes, Meek, I help people who are starting from nothing. Yes. Just so you know, a lot of the millionaires we have in this room, Jimmy, Brady, GC, we've got so many people in this room that I've helped become literally millionaires that have never traded a day in their life at all. And I mean ever, right? Ever. Think about that. SPY pulling. It hit that 580. Remember we talked about 580 being up there on resistance. Remember? I had 579.67 and 580 up top. It hit 580 and 6 cents. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all I ask, you guys come in with an empty cup. That's all I ask. I don't want all your baggage from joining the other 6, Discord servers with a bunch of little kids that probably didn't have any experience, and they definitely have not created super mega wealth millionaires. I'm pretty sure of that because I would have heard about it. For sure.
Hey, Coach, on SPY, was that the 3 reversal candle?
On
the 2 minute.
It was a pullback off of 580 resistance. Yeah, don't put a bunch of weight into that 3 candle anything. That's it's more about support and resistance than it is candles, right? The candles help on the small scheme of things, but it's more about these major resistance and support levels. Am I right, gang?
Right.
Yep. You can use the candles to help you guide inside of trades or when to get in and out of small stuff. But I'm looking at more big picture. Now, if I see something like, let me show you, like this. This helps me. You see how that's a nice, large, engulfing candle? Things like that will help me. But like this. This should have been, right, somewhere in here should have been a doji, which would have been easy to identify, but it wasn't. There really wasn't nothing. You had 3 down candles right here, right? You had 3 crows. That didn't help. You see it? That didn't do nothing. Bounced right back up. Well, guess what? We're playing off of resistance more than we're dinking around with these candles up here, right? Oops, I just moved this line. Make sense? Okay, good. Right here, you already know. SPY breaks below this 577.70, which we already had from before, which was a major level of resistance and now is support. If it breaks through that, you already know we're going to be bleeding out. Yes? Yes.
You already know.
That's right. You better know. And if you don't,
You better know.
you better listen. You better check yourself before you rickety wreck yourself.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, you guys won't be able to see my drawing. Only the Zoom class can see the drawings. Do I use previous day, low and high? Yes. Yep, they're the two largest factors. Previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, pre-market low. And then I also give you guys our pre-market setup, which is inside of all of that. That's for our paid members, so they're ready to go with those. But yes, those four I tell you every day to chart out immediately, every day, right? Every day. So there's support at 577.70 on SPY. Didn't we talk about that? Didn't we already know? Wasn't that where it was before? Yes. Okay, good job. Nice job. Listen, I'm going to wrap up. Appreciate you. Love all your faces. Did anybody make any money today?
Yes, sir. Locked in over $2,700, and I just sold off on my last contract on Apple.
Oh my gosh! And he was doing that with
$12.60.
all of you there. Oh my! Nice
Yes,
job.
Coach. Thank you.
Good job.
Yep, hit my daily goal on Apple.
Nice job. Good job. VIP Gold members, how do you like the 2-minute EWO live Apple chat room? Anybody like it, or is it just terrible and we should shut it down today?
Oh no, love it. He rocks.
That's one vote of confidence.
It's amazing.
There, that's two.
I love it.
Awesome. Love it.
3,
It's great.
4,
Fantastic.
5,
Best thing on that bread.
6,
Love David. He's
7,
David is so helpful.
8,
Amazing.
9,
It's a
10, 11,
Amazing.
12,
Yes, Coach.
13,
Yes,
14, 15, 16.
yesterday we
39,
had a
90,
VIP gold session regarding that Apple chat.
You know, we'll just call it 100 even, just to speed things up. How's that sound? Okay, good job. You see that, David? I got him to open up the microphones. You heard that. I had to pull it out of him a little bit, but you caught that.
I'm heading out early 'cause I got to go to the doctor's office. I've been feeling like crap ever since we got back from Dallas this weekend.
Oh boy.
Texas will also do that.
Well, I
Coach,
hope you,
before
He
you
still
leave, we
makes
have
money.
a hand up with Zen.
okay, no problem. I'll get to it. I hope you
Just
feel
real quick,
better, brother.
Mentorship meeting is starting now, so head on over.
Oh, awesome. And I'm going to wrap up too, so I'll get out of here so that you guys can join it. Listen, you guys head over to the mentorship. It's going on right now. Thank you, Palm, for doing that, by the way. I know people absolutely love it when you're in there. That's awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody head on over there.
Welcome.
Yeah, I'm wrapping up.
I believe there was a hand up.
Yep, I'm wrapping up. Everybody head over there. I'll get to the hand in 1 minute. I want to make sure I thank everybody. So thank you to my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric Smoto, GC, Dawn, Mark, Miranda, Nick, Palm Coast, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife. Thank you also to my media team and everybody that's helping out over there. Ed, Nick, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. Appreciate, love all your faces. Thank you to my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Thank you. Sound like somebody pooped their pants. I don't know what that was, but
So many truck drivers.
somebody check your doo-doo drawers because something bad
Squishy.
happened. Yeah, something happened. Somebody
They
had
shit
a
themselves.
somebody shed
Amazon
themselves.
truck shut.
Coach, do you want to sign the screen to me then?
I will. Yes. Who had their hand up?
It was Zen.
Zen, where you at?
You might have just gone to the other side. I don't know.
Oh, yep, might have. Sorry about that. Tried to get to you. Apologize.
Was Zen Master? He's still in here. He's
He
in the
was.
list.
He's floating in space, listening. Zen.
Zen.
Thank you guys. Good job today. Richard, I just made you the host.
And thank you, Coach.
Got it, Coach.
Yeah, everybody have a
Thanks,
blessed
Coach. Love
day.
your face.
Thank you.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Coach. Have a great day.
Thank you guys for letting me do this out of the truck. I just want to get out of the house every now and then. So I know the haters
That's
like
the coolest.
We
Yeah.
get it.
I love it, right? It's something different. I'm not stuck in here. Oh, you know what? Those of you that are watching live, let me do this real quick. The laptop might die because I'm tethering off of another system. Let me do a walk around. If you guys have not seen the Cybertruck, let me do a real quick walk around. Hold on, let me make sure the camera is working. Hold on, I know there's a little bit of delay, so bear with me. Okay, cool. All right, check this out. Now I'm using my laptop camera, so it's obviously not going to be great, but let me try to show you here. I cannot see what you guys see, but check this out. Hopefully you guys can see it okay. This is what it looks like.
We are not seeing it, Coach.
Zoom won't see it, only YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook,
Oh, sorry.
TikTok.
Okay.
Yep. Only because it's using the same camera. I can't put the Zoom and the that on the same camera. Otherwise, you guys would see it too. That's what it looks like, in case you guys have never seen one, but
That's so cool.
isn't that wild? See, it's got these big 35-inch tires on it. It's the Foundation Series.
Super sticky.
Super
How
super.
cool.
It's literally bulletproof, impact proof.
35-inch tires. It's Foundation Series.
You can go cruise in the hood.
Nice.
Isn't that wild?
How do you open the doors?
It's got a push button on the
there.
glass. I just did it, yep. See this 90-degree doors so you can get in and out easier? Obviously, I got my chair leaned way back because I'm doing all my work, but
How come I can't see you?
it's not on the Zoom. It's going to be on YouTube Live and all that. Hold on here. I'll jack it up. Hold on a minute. I'll jack her up. 1 second. You guys will see her. Wait till you see this ridiculousness. Hold on. Watch this. Can you guys see it raising?
Wow.
Wait, you see this?
But it goes up what, like 3-4 inches, Coach?
17-inch clearance.
Oh,
Wow.
Can you guys see it?
You
I
can
saw
jack
it,
that up?
Yeah,
That's
I can go.
so awesome.
Yeah, I can go higher than that too, which is crazy. So this is just high mode, but there's another mode if I'm actually like climbing rocks.
Baja mode.
Yeah, Baja mode.
shit.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice.
So this is what cracks me up. So I'll have somebody in like an F-350, right? If they're next to me, I'll put mine in high and be higher than them. Because everybody's always like, "Oh, I thought it was taller than that." I'm like, "Hold on a minute."
All right.
Isn't that
That's
cool?
hilarious.
Oh, wow.
But look how tall it is. Because look, this
Cool.
is me standing next to it, right? And I'm 6 feet tall. Look, see it?
Is it delay?
Yep, you'll see it in a minute. But look at how tall this thing is now, right? Look at
It's cool.
it's way up here. Isn't that neat though?
Mhm.
And it's immediate. So whenever I put it in park, it actually goes into its lowest mode.
Actually taller than you at its highest point.
Oh yeah, I mean look how high
That's so, oh
it's-
my God.
it's ridiculously high, right? So
Totally.
Oh, yeah, it's actually kind of hard to get into when it's like this. Hold on a minute. Yeah, this thing gets crazy. It's got all
I love
sorts of
that
goodies.
area around there, all the woods and stuff. That reminds me of home. It's
I
pretty.
was just thinking that too. I like the woods.
In the forest.
Coach, I just posted you a little video of my truck in the Apple chat. So
Oh,
mine doesn't go higher, it
Yeah.
goes lower.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, yeah, here I actually raised it.
Recording stopped.
I raised it more. You guys ready for this? Listen, you can hear it. Look.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. That's so cool. I didn't even know.
Look at that. I mean, look at the clearance of the tire to the wheel well.
Yeah, that's what I was noticing.
Great.
Isn't that sick?
Mm.
And then if you look at the back end, you guys will see it in a minute, but it goes up just like my Rivian does, so that if you guys are like climbing over rocks, because it's not flat down, you have more clearance to go like over hills and rocks.
Yeah, it's very awesome. So cool.
That
That thing looks like a spaceship.
It is. It's literally like it's a tank. I mean, look at the size of it when I raise this monster, right? Then it turns it. It goes from a regular vehicle to what the hell is that?
They just need a bunker.
Yeah, this thing is sick. So, anyways, something
That's
cool,
awesome.
something different. I owe it all to you guys, right? You literally have helped me pay for this. This is all from you guys. So, thank you. That's why I'm here all the time, making sure you guys are able to do what you're able to do, because you guys help me to do what I want to do, which is, who gets to work in a park, by the way? Look at this beautiful park. Look at this. This is where I worked today. This was my office. Who the hell gets to do this on a Thursday?
great.
Look at on a Thursday. Who's doing this on a Thursday out here in a park? Right?
Besides you, coach, probably flashers.
Yeah, the creeps. The creeps are.
With different agendas.
Yep, just creeps. That's it.
Yeah, just the weirdos. Hold on, I gotta try to get in this vehicle. But
I do the
anyways,
same thing. I go to the park and trade.
but isn't that
We
cool?
know.
I get to hang out, do the things, thanks to all of you, amazing people.
Thank you.
You guys are awesome.
You're awesome.
All right, gang, I'm out. Love your faces. You guys have an amazing day. Let me kill the live feed. Hold on. Thank you guys.